to every week. Pero yun, feeling ko, di ba? Like I was talking to you guys about, di ba? Ang lulungkot palagi ng mga kanta na kinakanta ko. Napansin niyo ba yun?
Yes.
Ayun, di ba, puro English tayo. Feeling ko dapat mag-Tagalog naman tayo. Di ba? Hindi lang sa aking puso nga to, sa OPM show. Pero speaking of OPM actually, and if I may say so myself, I think now more than ever, I've never been so much more in touch with being a Filipino artist and writing Tagalog music. Because for those who don't know, so laki po ako sa Vallejo, California. Yes, bata ako. Me and my parents, we immigrated there at an early age for me. And Tagalog is not my first language, so bear with me. Nung kailan na lang ako
Same.
Tagalog. Okay naman po ba yung Tagalog?
Yeah!
Bakit kay Jesse Zaragoza, hindi marunong mag-Tagalog, no? Hindi, pero having said that, I've never been so much more in touch with my roots, and I think one of the biggest achievements that I've been able to achieve for myself this year is actually putting out my newest album, which is called Sad Girl Hours. Very, very on brand for me. And, you know, there was this one song that I wrote last year that really spoke to me. I think when I wrote it at the time, I was really going through something, and I was at probably like the lowest I'd ever been. And you know, I was going through a lot of pain, and I was able to turn something painful into something beautiful. And with that, the song was actually originally in English, and nung napakinggan siya ng dad ko, when he heard it, he was like, "Nak, pag tinagalog mo to, maganda to." So we ended up writing it together. He helped me translate this next song. Yes. And this one is actually the song for me that really started it all in terms of, I guess, my decision with myself to really focus on my artistry and to follow my heart, which is what this show is all about. It's all about our hearts and kung anong dinalaman ng mga ating puso. And for me, this is it. And this song really encapsulates what really is in my heart and why I love music. So this one's called Right Lover, Wrong Time. Gusto mabigat, ayaw mo na uwi lang tayo sa wala. Ako ay nangangarang mata, di makatulog, di makahinga. Ngayong wala ka na, ako'y nababalik na. Baby, nagkait sa amin ang pag-ibig. Tanggapin ang natin na hindi na ba ngayon ang tinakdang panahon. Right lover, Thank you so much. Ang tanong, nakarelate ba kayo dyan? Meron ba dito sa audience mga nabiktima ng right love, wrong time? Meron the one that got away? O, di ba? No, but that really is such a special song to me. And in a lot of ways, I would say that ito talaga yung parang naging catalyst ng album ko, which is called Sad Girl Hours. So, kung nagustuhan nyo yung mga kanta na kinanta ko ngayong gabi, sana po i-stream nyo. At ba kung yung pag-stream ng album? Alam nyo ba yun?
Yes.
Tanong nyo na lang po sa mga mga anak nyo po. Sa mga apo nyo. Tulong na lang po kayo. Para na lang po sa akin, labing sa inyo. Yes po. YouTube, yes! Wow! Alam niyo po YouTube.
YouTube.
Hindi, pero yun. So, I hope you guys really enjoyed what I've had to say for you guys. Thank you so much. This was such a pleasure. And I hope you guys can stream and listen to Sad Girl Hours and all of the other songs on that album. It's an album really close to my heart. And I hope you guys can share it with a fellow sad bestie. Actually, guys, fun fact. So, yung mga fans ko, tinatawag ko mga sad besties kasi ako nga si sad girl. So, Seattle, kayo ba yung mga sad besties ko ngayong gabi? Dahil dyan, game ba kayo sa audience participation? Yes? May tuturo ako sa inyo. Yes? Because I have one more song for you guys. Okay ba sa inyo yun?